Good evening. Today I want to talk about magnetism. Magnetism is a force released by magnets that make them attract or repel each other. So when I say repel, it means to push away something, and to attract it means that when a magnet attracts something, it either pulls itself, the magnet, to the item it wants to attract, or it pulls the object or the magnet wants to pull the objects that it wants to attract. Things that attracts to magnets are, for examples, are iron, steel, cobalt, or nickel. Those things attracts to magnets. As you can see down here, these things are magnetics. Nickel, steel, cobalt, and iron. And things that are not magnetic, for example, is like aluminum, lead, brass, and copper. How magnetism works. Magnetism works like this. For example, in a magnet, there are two poles, north and south. Magnet works by like this. If you put two magnets together, one magnet is facing the other, face the north pole and south pole. Then the two magnets will attract to each other. But if two magnets are both north or south, they will repel each other. They will push each other away. Magnetic fields. Magnet works because of a thing called magnetic fields. As you can see here, these are magnetic fields. The strongest place where the magnet can pull something is the poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. The magnetic fields shows you where you can put an object, and if an object is in the magnetic field, it will attract to that item. For example, if you put a nickel coin in this magnetic field, the coin will get attracted to the magnet. But if, for example, I put the nickel here, it will not attract because it is not in the magnetic fields. Types of magnets. There are three types of magnets. The first type of magnets is permanent magnets. Permanent magnets are just normal magnets, like this. It can attract and repel each other permanently. Second, there is temporary magnets. Temporary magnets are not like these magnets. Temporary magnets are like an item that got attracted to this magnet, and now the temporary magnet will have the force of the permanent magnets, and the temporary magnets can attract things, but the attraction will be weaker than the permanent magnets. And if, when you put that item away, that item will not be able to attract any more things. The third type of magnet is electromagnets. Electromagnets are like iron, nickel, cobalt, or steel items that they charge with electricity, and it will become a magnet. Everyday examples. Everyday examples of magnets are like the toys around you, or the magnets on your fridge, or it could be the earth. Yes, the earth is a magnet. It has a magnetic field that protects us from the sun's harmful ray. That is why the earth has north and south poles. Conclusion. In conclusion, magnets have north and south poles. They can either attract or repel each other. Magnets are very fascinating. Thank you for